So we'll end with this last question. So with your almost 2 decades of experience in the space, what would you say is like a credit hack, like something that somebody never thought of, like an aha moment in your experience that, what, if I'd have did this in the beginning 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 20 years ago, I could have set myself up or I could have set my family up a little bit different. What is like a credit hack that you can share with our audience today in closing?
Man, I would, for me personally, there are a couple of different ones, but I think one that's near and dear to my heart that I wish I had known. But fortunately, I didn't wait till it was too late. The credit hack I would suggest to everyone is get your children in place. Get your children in place. You can literally start building your child's credit at 13, 14 years old, right? And don't abuse it though. I mean, there's some horror stories about, hey, kids 18 trying to go apply for something for the first time in life and talking about they got cable or they got phone. Their mom and dad have been using their credit and don't pay the bill. No, I'm not talking about like that. I'm talking about literally, again, legally, ethically, and morally, building your child's credit profile. So when they turn 18 or 19, they're already at a 700 credit score across the board. They're already at a 750 credit score. They're already prepared to be able to walk into a bank and do a mortgage, do a credit card, do a line of credit, right? Get some sort of investments going because mom and dad have already set them up to win.